How to photograph in a situation with dried flowers. This video is how to take a beautiful photo using a flash in a set decorated with dried flowers. I will be using the Godox 8200 light. First, we'll try taking a photo using just a light in the room. There's a window in the back on the right and there's a natural light coming in from afar. The light diffuses off the wall and the colors become murky, making the image muddy. Next, we try hitting the subject directly with the flash. The image was deliberately created to look as if it had been taken with a flash, creating harsh light and strong shadows. It ruins the set with dried flowers. Next, we will bounce the flash off the right wall in the back. The dried flowers have a very beautiful pinkish color due to the transferred light caused by the semi-backlighting. Also, the direct light from the flash slightly hits the dried flowers and the shadows of the flowers is cast on the wall, creating a sense of sun through trees. The light bounces off the surrounding walls as well, softly illuminating the subject. However, I feel like there is some halation. Next, by using a reflector board, we will prevent the halation. The light from the reflector board will also reflect off the figures, making them look brighter and the photo much better. Fundamentally, backlighting is a great way to make dried flowers and other similar settings look magical. And the soft light that hits the subject makes the whole photo look beautiful. Because there is a large amount of soft light, the subject can also change position to take even better pictures. Everyone, please give it a try.